Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and I'm going to teach you grammar of the first chapter. So there is subject pronouns, subject like sh, then you, tu. See, tu is informal and it is for familiar one. Singular, familiar. Singular, informal, singular. So tu, he or it is il, she or it is l. There is on. On means one or it or we. Sometimes we. It depends on condition. In the coming chapters, I will explain you on. Now we is nu. Then you is woo. Again there is you, and this is formal, singular and plural both. If you are using plural you, then you have to use woo. And if you are using singular, you can use tu and woo, but tu is informal and woo is formal. Then they for masculine is il, they for family is else. But if you have masculine and feminine both, then you will use il. Okay, so this is the difference between tu and woo. The thing I'm telling already told you that tu is informal, woo is formal, tu is singular, woo is singular and plural both. Okay, the auxiliary verb at and awah. At means to be, awah means to have. So chasui, listen the sound, you have to learn this like a vocabulary. Chasui, tue, ile, elle, oe. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. J'asui, tu es, il est, elle est, on est. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Now, awa, to have. Che, tiwa, ila, ella, on a. Nous avons, vous avez, ils sont, elles sont. Nous avons, vous avez, ils sont, elles sont. Then I am coming up to ER verbs. So parler, to speak. Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, on parle. Nous parlons, vous parlez, ils parlent, elles parlent. See, if you have regular ER verb, there is a pattern. There is a pattern to make verb conjugation. In this video, I am giving you that pattern by picture. See, I can explain you like we have some root and stem. So the stem is PARL, parl. Sorry, we have stem and radical. Sorry, stem and radical. So stem is PARL, parl, and radical is ER. So in regular verb, we just change the radical. There are three types of verb in French: ER, IR, and RE. So in ER, we change ER. So first with I we use E, with tu we use ES, with he she we use E, with we use ONS, then EZ, then ENT. You can check in the next visitor, like in visitor, like in to study at there. You can check the same pattern is ending in the same pattern. I will give you the pictures also for this, that you can learn more and more. So today you have to learn ER verb conjugation with the regular pattern and to be, to have, and that's enough for today. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye.